Hi everyone, and welcome back to CarXperience, where we bring you the best in luxury, speed, and innovation. Today, we're diving into a car that defines sophistication, power, and unparalleled craftsmanship of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost. If you're a fan of pure automotive excellence, stay tuned because this one is special. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is more than just a car, it's a statement. Since its introduction in 2009, the Ghost has been a symbol of understated luxury, designed for those who prefer elegance without being overly ostentatious. The 2025 model continues this legacy, combining traditional Rolls-Royce refinement with cutting-edge technology to deliver a driving experience like no other. At first glance, the Ghost commands attention with its signature Pantheon grille, now subtly illuminated for a more striking presence. The spirit of ecstasy, proudly sitting atop the grille, remains an iconic touch, reminding everyone that this is a vehicle built for those who demand the absolute best. The sleek LED laser headlights provide superior visibility, while the car's clean, minimalist design emphasizes class over excess. The subtle use of chrome accents and the available two-tone paint options add to its bespoke nature, ensuring that every Ghost is as unique as its owner. Under the hood, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering an effortless 563 horsepower and 627 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse allows the Ghost to glide from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, a remarkable feat for a full-sized luxury sedan. Despite its power, the Ghost remains whisper quiet, thanks to its advanced soundproofing and Rolls-Royce's formula for serenity, which includes over 220 pounds of sound-deadening materials. The driving experience is nothing short of magical. Rolls-Royce's planar suspension system ensures the smoothest ride possible, adapting to road imperfections before you even feel them. The all-wheel drive and all-wheel steering provide a level of agility that is unheard of in a car of this size. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on long highway stretches, the Ghost delivers a ride so comfortable it feels like you're floating on air. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that defines opulence. Every surface is adorned with the finest materials, from hand-stitched leather to open-pore wood veneers and polished metal accents. The Starlight headliner, one of Rolls-Royce's most iconic features, transforms the roof into a celestial masterpiece, with thousands of fiber-optic lights mimicking a starry night sky. If that's not enough, you can even customize it to display shooting stars on demand. The Ghost's infotainment system is just as impressive, featuring a 12.3-inch digital display seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The rotary-controlled system offers intuitive navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring that you stay connected without taking your focus off the road. Rear passengers are treated to an equally luxurious experience, with reclining seats, individual entertainment screens, and a champagne cooler to elevate the journey to first-class levels. One of the most fascinating features of the 2025 Ghost is the bespoke audio system. With 18 speakers and 1,300 watts of power, this custom-tuned setup delivers a sound experience that rivals high-end home audio systems. Whether you're listening to classical music, jazz, or your favorite podcast, the clarity and depth of sound are truly remarkable. Of course, safety and technology go hand in hand with luxury. The Ghost is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a head-up display that projects vital information onto the windshield. Every drive is as secure as it is serene. Owning a Rolls-Royce is about more than just having a car, it's about having an experience tailored to your personal taste. The 2025 Ghost offers endless customization options, allowing buyers to choose from an almost limitless selection of paint colors, interior materials, and design elements. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist aesthetic or a more traditional, ornate design, Rolls-Royce ensures that no two Ghosts are ever exactly alike. With a starting price of around $400,000, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is undoubtedly a luxury reserved for the elite. But for those who seek the pinnacle of refinement, comfort, and prestige, there is no better option. It's not just a means of transportation, it's a masterpiece on wheels, a sanctuary of peace and power, and a testament to the art of automotive craftsmanship. That's it for today's episode of CarXperience. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury car content. Let me know in the comments if you could customize your own Rolls-Royce. What features would you add? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.